Buongiorno, welcome to my Italian cooking school in Amsterdam, La Cucina del Sole. I'm Nicoletta and today I'm gonna make a pistachio pesto for you. We're gonna need 60 grams of almonds, 100 grams of grated Parmesan or Grana cheese, 150 grams of pistachio nuts, 60 grams of pine nuts, some extra virgin olive oil, 1 organic lemon, we're going to use the rind, and 2 garlic cloves. I'm going to put everything in the mixer: almonds, pistachios, pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, 100 grams of grated Grana or Parmesan cheese, and the grated rind of 1 organic lemon, some olive oil. I'm going to start mixing. I'm definitely going to add some more olive oil. I'm adding a bit of salt. I prefer my pistachio pesto a bit chunky, that you can still taste and feel the little bits and pieces of pistachios, almonds and pine nuts. Salt goes in, and then I have some nice linguine. Move them around to make sure that they don't stick. I'm gonna add a little bit of the cooking water of the pasta to the pesto, and then the linguine go in. Okay, and now I can serve it. There you go, 1 portion. I'm gonna garnish the plates with a little bit of basil, fresh basil, always a good idea. And we're gonna eat it. Buon appetito! Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this recipe. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments area, and I'll see you next time with the next recipe. Ciao!